Just go to Binance.com and click register and fill in your email address along with your password. Ensure that it is 8 characters with 1 uppercase and 1 number. And if you want 20% discount, just copy this code or just go to description box, click the link at itadirect na po kayo agad sa Binance webpage. And for the puzzle, just move the cursor, and then for account verification, you will receive the number in your email. And congratulations, you are now in the homepage of your Binance. But now, as you can see, you are still unverified. So we need to verify your account by putting your details. Okay, as you can see, there are two security verification. First is phone verification and Google verification. So with Google verification, you need to go to Google Play in your phone and find this exact logo and download it in your phone. And then with regards to phone verification, you just need to register your recent phone number. In order for you to start trading in Binance, you need to increase your account security by the following details must be followed. Security key should be set, Google and SMS authentication should be on, and most importantly, your identity verification should be completed. Completing your basic information is a must for you to officially trade in crypto world of Binance. In personal details section, just click verify. Then select your country or the region you're currently in. Binance will ask your general information such as your complete name, birthday, and residential address. Prepare your scanned photocopy of your ID, and then you need to take a picture of yourself to verify your identity. Now it's time for you to trade. Click login and then put your credentials. You will receive a 6-digit code from Google Authenticator in your phone. Or you can do it using phone verification, in which you will receive a text message of your code. Let the trading started. This is the official homepage of verified Binance account, where you can see the top cryptos in the front page. On the other hand, you can stay in touch in Binance community using the following channels. Go to Buy Crypto and click the yellow box that will direct you to currency section. You can change it according to your preferred currency. There are several ways to fund your account, but this time we will use the P2P trading, which is the easiest of them all. Click P2P trading. You are now in P2P main page. Click buy, then USDT. These are the available advertisers in accordance to your preferred currency. Each of the advertisers has unique prices for cryptocurrency. Let's say we will choose CryptoBank PH. Click Buy USDT. And I want to pay bucks, you will type the price amount that you will buy. And in I will receive bucks, it will automatically convert it to USDT. Be mindful about the terms and conditions of the advertiser. This is the general detail of CryptoBank PH. Then just click Buy USDT It will direct you to the next page wherein you can transact with the advertiser. Limit refers to the minimum and maximum price amount that the advertiser can claim. For this advertiser, his limit is from 1,000 pesos to 3,995. For example, you want to invest 1,000 pesos, so you will receive this amount of USDT, which is 20.85. To check if the coin is successfully transferred to your account, go to Wallet, then click Fiat and Spot. So, the available coins that you have will be in the Fiat and Spot main page.